Here's our room at the Hilton Garden Inn. As you walk into the room, you got your closet area that would be your right when you walk in, and along with a vanity with a coffee maker and everything. And then if you turn to your left as soon as you walk in, you get the bathroom. It's got a regular tub and shower, toilet, and sink, as you can see right there. Then you got your bed with a table with a big old lamp. You have to your right area, when you get past in front of the bed, you got your little place where you put your suitcase and stuff. You got a TV, you got a desk, we got Amanda's drink, a lamp, your desk chair, we got Amanda's wheelchair, and there's Amanda there. And then she's got a little table beside her with a table right there beside the bed. And you got your window there, as you can see. And you got your air conditioner unit. We have the wheelchair because she has a hard time walking. She's going through chemo right now. That's why we haven't been posting anything. This year, the end of last year and beginning of this year has been very hectic, and been going through a lot. So if y'all were wondering why we haven't been posting, that's why. And I decided to take her out for Valentine's Day and at least do this here. So here's the room again. Oops, I'm bumping into her wheelchair. But she's got a little hat on. It's she's been going through a lot. So yeah, that's why we haven't been doing anything lately. This is good for us to just get out and enjoy ourselves. Try to, at least. Yep, this is our room, and hope to see y'all soon. Please like, subscribe, and we'll talk to y'all next time.